Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Pool home with 2-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, enclosed lanai and fenced backyard. Hurry to make this yours. Features eat-in kitchen area and gas fireplace in the living room, washer and dryer included. New wood-type floors installed in kitchen, lanai and main bathroom. Second bathroom is located in garage with lots of potential and possible opportunity to enclose garage to create third bedroom master suite. Close to shopping, schools, medical care and transportation, and just minutes from the Gulf of Mexico and beaches with short commute to Tampa and St. Pete airports.